Welcome to our 10-point lecture. Seasons: Shishira, late winter; Vasanta, spring; Grishma, summer; Vasha, rain; Sharad, autumn; Hemanta, early winter. 1 year, that is one samvatsara, is divided into 6 ritus. The first 3 ritus, Shishira, Vasanta and Grishma, are known as Adana Kala, with sun as its part, whereas the next 3 ritus, Vasha, Sharad and Hemanta, are known as Visarga Kala, with moon as its part. Visarga is releasing part, that which increases the watery portion of the Adana is receiving part, that which diminishes the watery portion of the earth. Same way, the human body is of 6 parts, that is Shadanga, which proves Loka Purusha Samyatva. 3 main entities controls the seasonal variations and bodily strength. What are they? Arka, sun; Vayu, air; Soma, moon. As you know, the influence of sun reduces the watery portion. Vayu has an active role play with both the sun and the moon, thus placed in between them, but being rough, it is more active in Adana Kala. The influence of moon increases the watery portion of the earth. This also depicts the physiology of Kala Purusha. As a factor, sun, air and moon serve as Pitta, Vata and Kapha respectively in the human body. In Adana Kala, the roughness increases as the season advances, and thereby the debility of the person also increases along with them. The predominant rasas include Tikta, Kashaya, Katu, which is predominant of Akasha Vayu, Prithvi Vayu and Agni Vayu. In Visarga Kala, the slanginess increases as the season advances, and thereby the strength of the person also increases in the same order. The rasas include Amla, Davana, Madura, which is predominant of Prithvi Teja, Teja Jala and Prithvi Jala. In terms of strength, the start of Visarga and the end of Adana, that is Vasha and Grishma, are weak. The moderate ones are the Vasanta and Sharad, whereas the Hemanta and Shishira are the stronger ones. In Hemanta and Shishira, as the Shita Vayu increases, the Agni starts increasing. In terms of food, eat heavy foods. Amla and Lavana are the predominant ones. Aquatic meat, fishes, wine, vinegar, honey, milk products, cane sugar, fats, oils, hot water. In terms of regimen, Murda Tailam, Abhyangam, exposure to sun, wearing blankets and woolen garments. Avoid Vata-aggravating factors, cold exposure, Kadu Tikta Kashaya Rasa. Shishira is same as Hemanta Ritu with slight difference of increased Ruksha. As it is the beginning of Adana Kala, the do's and don'ts are same as Hemanta Ritu. After cold seasons, accumulated kapha starts acting like a stagnant water. Therefore, we have to eliminate it by doing evacuative measures. Acid disturbs the body heat and causes many diseases. In terms of food, eat barley and wheat, Katu Tikta Kashaya Rasa, Lagu Ushna Ahara, harmless vinegars and wines. In terms of regimen, evacuation, physical exercise, Anjanam, Udvartana, Kavalagraha. Avoid Guru, Amla Madura, Snigdha Ahara, day sleep. The sun with his rays draws up excessive moisture accumulated during the previous ritus. In terms of food, take Madura, Shita, Drava Pradhana Ahara, Medya, meat of wild animals and birds, ghee and milk along with rice, Madhya, which is of little quantity or with plenty of water. In terms of regimen, day sleep, Chandana labor adorned with pearls and gems. Avoid hot, stored pungent foods, physical exercise, and Maithuna. As Vasha is the end of Adana and the start of Visarga, moderate measures are to be adopted. In Vasha Ritu, Agni becomes poor and Vada gets increased. In terms of food, take food mixed with madhu or honey, amla lavana, medhya, Hot soups, boiled rainwater, madhya with honey, old barley. In terms of regimen, reside in a place free from humidity, Gandhyamalya dharana, udvartana, utsadana. Avoid cold drinks, day sleep, dew, physical exercise, exposure to sun, and maithuna. The persons having adjusted to rain and cold atmosphere are suddenly exposed to the heat of sun rays. Thereby, there is an increase of accumulated pitta. Have you heard about Hamsodaka? No. Okay, let me explain. Hamsodaka is the purest form of water, heated by sun rays during the day and cooled with moon rays during the night. It is detoxified by Agastya's star, hence it is beneficial like nectar. What to do with this water? Well, you can use this for drinking, bathing and for even sitz bath. In terms of food, take pitta, madura, shita, lagu ahara, rice, wheat, barley, sheep, rabbit, antelope meat, pitta sarpepana. In terms of regimen, wear garlands, moon ray exposure, virechana, rakta mokshana, bloodletting. Avoid fats, oils, aquatic meat, curd, alkali, sun exposure, dew, and day sleep. Hamsodaka, the purest form of water, is a speciality of Sharad Ritu.